Did you know you can start helping the environment right in your backyard, or even with a few pots on your balcony? Eco-gardening is a beautiful, easy, and rewarding way to protect the planet while growing your own fresh food and flowers. Today, I'll show you simple eco-gardening tips for beginners so you can start small, grow smart, and create a garden that's good for you and the earth. Let's get started. Start with organic seeds and plants. Choosing the right plants sets the foundation for an eco-friendly garden. How to begin? Buy organic, non-GMO seeds when possible. Support local nurseries or farmers markets. Choose native plants that thrive in your area without chemicals. Healthy seeds grow healthier, more sustainable gardens. Use compost instead of chemical fertilizers. Chemical fertilizers harm soil life and waterways, but compost enriches and restores. Easy composting ideas. Use kitchen scraps like vegetable peels, coffee grounds, and eggshells. Collect garden waste like leaves, stems, and clippings. Start a simple compost pile or a compost bin. Feed your soil, not just your plants. Water wisely. Smart watering saves precious water and keeps plants healthier. Tips: water early morning or late evening to minimize evaporation. Use rain barrels to collect and reuse rainwater. Mulch around plants to retain moisture and reduce watering needs. A little planning goes a long way toward water conservation. Plant companion crops. Companion planting mimics nature's diversity, and it helps your plants grow better. Examples: tomatoes love growing next to basil and marigolds. Carrots do great with onions. Beans and corn support each other naturally. A diverse garden is a thriving, resilient garden. Avoid synthetic pesticides and herbicides. You don't need chemicals to keep your garden healthy. Natural alternatives. Neem oil sprays, soap and water solutions for pests. Plant flowers like nasturtiums to naturally deter insects. Protecting nature means protecting the tiny creatures too. Encourage pollinators. Pollinators are the unsung heroes of every healthy garden. How to help? Grow flowers like lavender, sunflowers, and echinacea. Provide a shallow water source for bees and butterflies. Never spray chemicals during blooming season. When you plant for pollinators, your whole garden benefits. Use recycled and natural materials. Gardening doesn't have to mean buying lots of new stuff. Sustainable choices. Build raised beds from old wood pallets. Use mason jars, tin cans, and baskets as planters. Decorate with stones, reclaimed bricks, or driftwood. Your garden will feel more personal, creative, and earth-friendly. Grow your own food. Growing even a small amount of your own food is a powerful step. Easy crops for beginners. Lettuce, radishes, spinach, tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers. Herbs like mint, basil, and rosemary. Nothing tastes sweeter or greener than homegrown produce. Practice crop rotation. Crop rotation keeps your soil healthy and your harvests strong. How to? Rotate where you plant crops year after year. Avoid planting the same plant family in the same spot. Rest sections of the garden with cover crops like clover. Your garden soil will thank you with better yields and fewer pests. Celebrate progress, not perfection. Eco-gardening is a journey, not a race. Remember, every small eco-friendly choice makes a difference. Don't stress about doing everything perfectly. Celebrate the beauty, growth, and lessons along the way. Nature teaches us patience, gratitude, and joy. Eco-gardening isn't about having the perfect garden. It's about growing with heart, with care, and with the earth in mind. Which tip are you most excited to try? Drop a comment below and share your gardening dreams. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Together, we're growing a greener future, one seed at a time.